You ready? What are we tuning today?
Calvin's turd.
GTR.
Yep. GDI.
GDI. We've had this car for
Too long.
This is looking good.
That's just another polished clapper.
This Calvin Skyline. This is almost ready as well. We have to change the window actuator because this bitch doesn't want to go up. But it's going to be leaving here very soon, and Calvin should be able to enjoy it finally because I feel like he hasn't driven the car in a long time.
Yeah, there was unfortunately quite a few setbacks in this project due to the state of the car in which we received it and the state of some of the components in which we received it. Once we got the car together, the engine lasted like 30 seconds because the cam seized in the head. There's the smoke again. Cam seized in the head. So luckily the machine shop warranted the engine and repaired it, but that took them like what, 7-8 months?
Yeah, 6-7 months.
Something like that.
Yeah.
You know, and so then for that period of time we were stuck with the car. Once we finally got the engine back, you know, I mean, it was gung-ho from there. Got the car put back together and it's been running, and so far so good. So can't complain there. It's just unfortunate setbacks like that kind of throw a wrench and everything. And, you know, other projects have to move along and other things have to get done as well in the meantime. So once we get the engine back, then we have to kind of fish it back into our schedule to kind of get that done. So it ended up being a whole mess, but, you know, hopefully the end result so far so good.
But that's the name of this game, baby. Yeah. You know, we went to the track yesterday, last Cecil of the year. So Luis and I took Lake Crisps. What else? DJ was there with the Civic. Didn't end so well, poor Deej. Typical game, I think. Did you confirm he snapped an axle?
Yeah, he snapped an axle.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we all know that pain. I didn't. But I also didn't 60-foot or really do anything, so no surprise. I spun.
Hard not to snap an axle when you don't do anything.
Yeah, I spun. And then I feel like it bogged, you know. It's been a while, I haven't driven my car. But no excuses, I just stink.
Everybody wanted to show up last minute.
We were all the way pitted.
To just stink up the track. So
we were pitted all the way by the boards, which was insane. That's how many people were there.
Yeah, we were pitted about as far as we were from
Oh, Chuck was there. He did a what? 10-0?
He did like a 10-0, like almost a $150. But the trans that he put in the car, unfortunately, is giving him problems, and I guess he's having major issues on the 2-3 shift. And he's just completely missing the 2-3 shift and fucking up, and it's just costing him time and during the run. Yeah,
poor Chuck. What else? Edgar drove his car. He's always complaining about how it's running. I know, we have to go. We'll go tune now. He's
It's for sale.
Okay. He says it's for sale, but there's no way. I wouldn't let him sell it, so. Expect out of it.
This should do well into the 500 area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Built RB26. Alright. Well, we're getting there. Is that wastegate right now? Or you got
Yeah, that's wastegate.
wastegate? Okay. Do you know how many pounds that is?
14.
14? Okay. What size turbo is this?
GTX 3076R, I think.
So it's the turbo's good probably for 7, right?
650 maybe. We'll see. I mean, it's gonna be on pump gas anyway, so it's not gonna.
Good for this.
Yeah, it's not gonna get clamped down.
It's gonna be even bigger. It sounds like it spools up nice.
Yeah.
It's like Garrett. It's like Garrett life.
Target 20, but the boost control is kind of all over the place.
How many was that? That one?
Like 21, but it's not very smooth boost curve.
The air's pretty good today.
With a flat 20 pounds across the board, it's 533.
Okay. Sounds good.
And it's pretty good for that size turbo on 93.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. It's pump gas.
On that turbo.
What's the housing?
I think a 0.63.
Wow, yeah. No. Too good, little turby. On to the next. I'm gonna be squirting in my video.
Wait, what?
This is a beautiful car as well. Got some of our signature biddies on there and some not, but this is a long time coming for Calvin. We are very happy for him.
Who knows? The oil port could have been clogged.